Unfortunately, in our country, the role of the jury has been so minimized by big corporations, by big insurance companies that don't want you to get a fair shake, which is the trial by jury process. You know, it's the only right that's mentioned 3 times in our Constitution. 3 times. It's critically important, but yet in 2010, only 18,000 people served on federal juries in the entire United States. That's 0.00006% of the population. So if you're hiring a firm that doesn't know how to talk to those few people and isn't doing it on a monthly basis, you're not getting the representation you deserve. You might be leaving a lot of money on the table. You might be leaving a lot of rights on the table that don't get compensated. You might not be fulfilling what your loved ones really need you to do, which is fight for them. And you have to be aligned with people that aren't afraid to fight, that actually love the challenge, that love to be in the moment, that love to give closing statements with everything on the line. A trial lawyer is the most highly specialized part of the law. We are legal surgeons. I tell people what we do is like being a surgeon in surgery, trying to operate on you, trying to make you better, while an equally skilled doctor or surgeon is on the other side, trying to undo everything that he's trying to help you on. That's how combative it can be. And so when you're interviewing someone, when you're talking to someone, you better quiz them and see if they've really been to battle, if they've been afraid, or do they just surprise settle every case. Sometimes settling is good, sometimes it's the outcome that you need, but if you're not prepared to go to trial, if you haven't been there, if you're scared, you're not going to get the settlement you want because there's no risk in the eyes of the other party.